4. Green hunters. Venus flytrap slowly closing. Narrator. Some plants even hunt. Carnivorous plants trap insects to survive in poor soils. Their movements are precise, calculated, and purposeful. Nature, once again, breaks our expectations. Scene 5. Movement without motion. Sunflowers turning toward the sun. Narrator. Plants move in ways we rarely notice. They grow toward light, respond to gravity, and follow water. Their motion is slow, but guided by complex biological laws. Scene 8. Healing power of plants. People walking in green spaces. Narrator. Plants do more than support life physically. They calm the mind, reduce stress, and restore balance. Green spaces heal both the earth and the human soul. Closing scene. Wide shot of forests, slow fade to light. Narrator. Plants are silent miracles. They teach patience, cooperation, resilience, and harmony. In every leaf, there is wisdom. In every root, there is purpose. And in every plant, the sign of the wonder of creation.